Hi guys, welcome back to the workshop. Let's jump straight to the work. The cabin air filter is located over here. Lift the panel to remove it. Remove the trim. Lift the cover to remove it. And you also need to remove the wiper blade arm. Remove the bolt by turning it clockwise. And also don't forget to use an extractor for the arm so you can get it easily out. Lift the panel to remove it. You should change your filter yearly or even faster if you live in a dusty area. Remove the bolt by turning it clockwise. There is one more over here. Lift the panel to remove it. Remove the bolt by turning it clockwise. Here is a closer look to the bolt. Lift the cover to remove it. And pull out the air filter from the housing. The airflow air should point out to the left. Insert the new filter to the assembly. Make sure that the new edges of the filter are flush to the assembly. Mount back the cover by aligning the tabs and pushing it back into place. Always hand tighten the bolts before securing it to the vehicle. Align the panel with the body before securing it to the vehicle. It's important to make sure it's set properly, otherwise it will not attach correctly. Screw back in place the Torx bolt. Align the panel with the body before securing it to the vehicle. It's important to make sure it sets properly, otherwise it will not attach correctly. Mount back the wiper blade arm. And secure it in place. Close the cover. And put back the upper panel. Align the trim and secure it to the vehicle. Make sure the assembly is tight and secure.